Everybody, this is Stocks on Watch. This morning, I'm going to show you this crazy gain that happened in the morning. So right here, right before market opened, we saw this huge gap up. So we kept on watching it. We waited for a little setback. I jumped into calls here, milked it all the way up here, and then sold about here. And then looks like we're about to get another up, crossing that MAC. Hoping everybody has a good Tuesday. Get your trash out, make your money. This is Stocks on Watch. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more content. Free money all day, every day. Join the team and become successful all during the day, all within an hour.